Hello. Today, let's talk about Tesla's recent activities and future plans. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What's new with Tesla?
Recently, Tesla announced plans to build 10 to 12 new Gigafactories by 2030 to increase production capacity.
What is a Gigafactory?
A Gigafactory is a large factory where Tesla makes electric cars and batteries.
Why is Tesla building more Gigafactories?
Tesla aims to produce 20 million cars per year by 2030, so they need more factories to meet this goal.
Where will these new factories be?
Tesla hasn't announced all the locations yet, but they plan to reveal more details soon.
What about new car models?
Tesla is working on a lower cost electric car to make EVs more affordable for more people.
When will this new car be available?
Tesla plans to release it earlier than expected, possibly in the next few years.
How is Tesla doing financially?
Tesla's stock price has been rising, and the company is making profits, showing strong financial health.
What about self-driving technology?
Tesla continues to develop its full self-driving FSD software, aiming to make cars fully autonomous in the future.
Are there any challenges Tesla faces?
Yes, Tesla faces competition from other car makers and needs to address production and supply chain issues.
How is Tesla addressing these challenges?
By expanding production capacity, developing new technologies, and improving supply chain management.
What about Tesla's energy products?
Tesla is also focusing on energy storage solutions like the Powerwall and solar energy products.
How can people buy Tesla cars?
People can order Tesla cars online or visit Tesla showrooms in various cities.
Are Tesla cars available worldwide?
Yes, Tesla sells cars in many countries and continues to expand its global presence.
What makes Tesla cars special?
Tesla cars are known for their long electric range, advanced technology, and strong performance.
How does Tesla help the environment?
By producing electric vehicles and renewable energy products, Tesla aims to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainable energy.
What is Tesla's mission?
Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy.
How can I learn more about Tesla?
You can visit Tesla's official website or follow their news updates to stay informed.
Thank you for explaining. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome. Tesla is an exciting company to follow. Keep exploring and learning.